Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, this week over at Walgreens, I guess they were asleep at the wheel during Black Friday, but they came back with a big old punch this week, and there's some deals. Get out to the store right away because we have money makers, we have freebies, we have like all the greatest hits. So December is going to be a fabulous, fabulous month. So the first thing I do want to talk about is the December P&G showed up in this weekend's newspaper. So over at Walgreens, yes, you can use a store register reward or a little bit of Walgreens cash. So you're not really paying for these out of pocket if you like everything P&G. Unfortunately, my inserts are tideless, but I'm still happy with what I got. I got 4 inserts and I used a $4 store register reward. This is the first deal we're going to talk about. And special shout out and thank you to Lorena over on Instagram. I'm sure a lot of you follow her. She's a Spanish speaking influencer and she's fabulous. And this is where I first saw the deal. So these smaller $1.29 NIVEA lotions are $1.29 on a BOGO 50% off. So what you're going to do is grab them in increments of 2. It has to be an increment of 2 because the promotion on them is $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So just to show you, in one transaction, I grabbed these 4, and yes, the soft is working. So either the cream or the soft, or you can mix and match them. And I grabbed all 4 of them. So just saying I only found 2 in the store, it would be $1.93. And then you get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making this free, plus a $1.07 moneymaker. They can pull this at any time or change this at any time, so I'd run out right away and do this deal. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it, yes, you can do that for this transaction. Next deal that we have that I think is an absolute must this week is on the Colgate. So for this deal, you're going to grab a brush for $3.99. We have a $2 digital that is attaching. Plus, for the paste at $3.99, we have another $2 digital attaching. For those of you that love to look at the tags, boom, here it is. Here's all the fine print pour vous. So what I did was I just followed exactly like the coupons. I grabbed 1 brush and 1 paste for $7.98. Looking at the mathematics for this, 1 brush, 1 paste is $7.98. Subtracting the $2 for the brush and the $2 for the paste, you're paying $3.98, getting back a $4 register reward, essentially making this for free. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And for NIVEA as well, you're doing that one without a booster, thus you can use the Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward. Now we're looking at these Oral-B brushes because we have a 3 off a 2 digital, making it for free again. Or alternatively, you can grab toothpaste, but I wanted the toothbrushes. I gave so many away for Thanksgiving that I'm like, I need to stock up. Here's the tag that the ladies are like, I need to see the tag. Here it is for you guys. And just looking at the math, is a very easy deal. 2 of the brushes for $6, subtracting that 3 off a 2 digital, you're paying $3. Getting back a $3 register reward, making it free. Again, if you wish to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal on its own without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. And all of my register rewards today printed, and I'll show you that at the very end. I had speculated that this would happen, and yes, the all detergent was $3.99. We have a $1 digital coupon, dropping it down to $2.99. Either the pods, the softener, the snuggle softener, or the all detergent. If you know, you know, this is a really good stock up price. Like a lot of you, I got this booster, so I got a $50 basket rocking and rolling for me. So I have this, plus this also printed out of the Catalina machine when I got my papers, which is $9 back when you spend $40. So I'm going to get $19 back, guys, when I spend $50, as you could stack the 1 digital and the 1 paper booster. Just to visually go through my basket, I have 4 of my NIVEA lotions. We've already touched on that. The toothpaste, the brushes, and we've touched on all of that. What's new to this basket is some clearance candy by the Hershey's Kisses, 2 of the Irish Spring, and then some of the Pantene. I'm going with as many deals that's producing register rewards, or they're on different promotions for me. As I explained, the Kisses, it's $5.49 down to $3.99. I have a friend that's having a birthday soon, so I thought this would be kind of a nice gift to add with a candle or something like that. I just thought it'd be super nice. And then I grabbed 3 of the Pantene volume conditioners. There's a 3 off a 3 digital, but a $4 off digital came off for me, so that's weird. And then I grabbed 2 of the Irish Springs at $4.99. We have a $2 digital. I kind of guessed that in my Friday video. Here's the tag for the deal. When you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward. And yes, that in fact printed for me. Now, alternatively, if you don't like the Hershey's Kisses, what you could do is substitute the 2 Arm & Hammers to get you to $50. Hershey's Kisses are $3.99, and these are $1.99. So if you grab 2, it would be like $3.98. So you'd still be right there. So here's my booster. Plus, I had a $3 manufacturer coupon register reward from last week from the Angel Soft deal. So I threw that in as well. So looking at this basket, 4 of those small NIVEA lotions on a BOGO 50% off is $3.87. 2 of the Irish Spring body washes for $9.98. 2 Oral-B brushes at $3 a pop is $6. 1 all detergent for $3.99. 2 Colgates for $7.98. 3 Pantenes for $15 on the nose. And then 1 Hershey clearance birthday kisses for $3.99. Alternatively, you could use the Arm & Hammer detergent. You need 2 of those. So my total is $50.80. I got the cashier to scan the 9 back when you spend $40. I also presented 1 $3 manufacturer register reward. She also scanned it at that time. I had my booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend $50, plus $14 in digital manufacturer coupons. So with my debit card, I paid $33.80 plus tax. As I'm using 2 different boosters, I must use my debit card. I got back $25 in Walgreens cash, $19 for the boosters, $6 for NIVEA, plus $17 in register rewards, making this basket free, plus an $8.20 moneymaker. Let's not forget to not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using boosters in a big basket like this one. And just to give you guys a peek here, there's $17 of register rewards that printed for me, and all of them I believe are manufacturers. There's no store coupon, so that's quite promising. So I'm very delighted with this basket. Okay, guys, let's have a quick little giveaway for a $10 Walgreens gift card. To participate, you got to be a subscriber. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper. That's your entry, and you're good to go. 1 entry per subscriber, and the winner's name will be pinned on Friday, December the 2nd. Only 1 winner. This is completely free. I pay for the gift card and the shipping, and I wish you guys good luck with this little giveaway. So I just wanted to share something really quick with you guys for the Dollar General shoppers out there. So Green Dot is 90% off, and on Tuesday the 29th, it's supposed to be a penny, and a lot of this is summer home goods. And I'm just going to show you some of the stuff I was finding, because I not only found stuff, but the stuff I was finding was an additional 50% off, but it's not today, which is weird. But I was doing this yesterday, which is Saturday. The first is a salad melamine bowl for $4. If you look, it says S22, so that's summer 22, plus that green dot. That's how you know, oh, so this is 40 cents in the app today. This is adorable. It's a little placemat. I found 3 of them. I wish I would have found 4, but I guess you don't always get what you want. And this guy was 20 cents, and it's a fabric, so you could throw it in the wash. Super cute for the spring or summer, or maybe all year long. But I do love this farming aspect that they have. And again, you're looking for S22. It's either going to penny out on Tuesday the 29th, or if your store has been recently updated, it'll be Wednesday the 30th in the morning. These 2 little home placards, they are so adorable. Yesterday they were 35 cents, but today they're 70, I believe. Definitely scan. And everything's going to ring up that it's not in store, so you have to physically get to the store and do some scanning. It's just how it is, but S22. They had all of these in the totes in the front of the store. So my sneaky suspicion is that they're going to close up the totes and put them all in the back on Tuesday morning. These cute little recipe boxes, 50 cents. I mean, throw some stockpile stuff in with the home, the little placemats, even this recipe box. If you have like a chef, you know, it's a really nice Christmas gift. And this summer stuff can go any time of the year for a little gift. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.